are 2 minutes. That's all it takes for snow shoveling to push your heart rate higher than a rigorous hospital treadmill test. 2 minutes. I'm Dr. Sage, a board-certified cardiologist for 17 years. And I've watched too many seniors turn a simple winter chore into a $140,000 medical emergency. Today, I'm going to show you exactly why your body reacts this way in the cold and give you the 4-step protocol that keeps my patients hospital-free all winter long. I know how much you value your independence. You've worked your whole life to own that home. Keep that driveway clear. Take care of yourself. That pride is beautiful, and I respect it deeply. But here's the thing. Staying independent means being smart enough to protect your heart so you can keep doing what you love for the next 20 years. That's real independence. Hit subscribe so we don't lose each other. I'm here to keep you safe and strong. Let me explain what's happening inside your body when you step into that freezing air with a shovel. I'll keep this simple, but I want you to really understand this because knowledge is power. Think of your blood vessels like the pipes in your house. Over the years, they naturally get a bit narrower. That's just part of aging. Now, when cold air hits your skin, your body panics. It thinks you're in danger of freezing, so it does something called. Your blood vessels squeeze tight, trying to keep warm blood at your core where your vital organs are. Here's where it gets dangerous. While your vessels are clamping down, your heart is being asked to pump harder and faster. According to a 2017 study in the Canadian Journal of Cardiology, just 2 minutes of shoveling wet snow can elevate your heart rate to 85% of maximum capacity. That's higher than most treadmill stress tests we do in the hospital. When you lift a shovel loaded with heavy wet snow, we're talking 20 to 30 pounds per load, your blood pressure spikes instantly. Research from the American Heart Association shows this creates a perfect storm. Your narrowed vessels, your racing heart, and that sudden pressure surge can cause a rupture in existing plaque buildup inside your arteries. When that happens, a blood clot forms, and blood flow to your heart muscle stops. That's a heart attack. And according to nationwide hospital data from 2022, the average cost of cardiac emergency care and recovery is $142,000. That's not just a health crisis. That's your retirement security on the line. Let me tell you about John. He's 72, lives outside Cleveland, and he's one of the most stubborn patients I've ever loved. Last January, after 8 inches of heavy snow blanketed his driveway, John grabbed his steel shovel at 6:30 in the morning. Temperature was 18 degrees. He made it about 15 minutes before his chest started feeling like someone was sitting on it. His left arm went numb. John was smart. He dropped that shovel and went straight inside. He called 911. He's fine now, but it shook him. He came to see me a week later and said, "Doc, I don't want to give up my independence, but I also don't want to die in my driveway." So here's what I told John, and here's what I'm telling you. These 4 steps will protect your heart and keep you safe. Step 1. Know your temperature threshold. If it's below 32 degrees Fahrenheit, you need to seriously reconsider shoveling. Below 20 degrees. Don't even think about it. The colder it gets, the harder your vessels constrict. At 20 degrees, your cardiac risk doubles compared to 40 degrees, according to research from the Journal of the American College of Cardiology, 2019. Check your weather app before you even look at that shovel. Step 2. The 10-minute rule. If you decide it's safe enough to shovel, set a timer on your phone or watch for 10 minutes. Not 15, not just this last section. 10 minutes exactly. When that timer goes off, you come inside, sit down, and let your heart rate come back to normal. Drink some water. Wait at least 10 minutes before you even think about going back out. This prevents that sustained cardiac stress that leads to heart attacks. Step 3. Change your technique. Stop lifting. Seriously, stop lifting those heavy loads of snow. Instead, push the snow to the side like you're using a plow. Keep the shovel blade on the ground and use your legs to push forward. If you absolutely must lift, bend at your knees, not your back, and keep the load small, no more than what you could comfortably carry in a grocery bag. Every time you lift and twist, you're spiking your blood pressure. Step 4. Recognize the warning signs and act immediately. Here's what you need to watch for. Chest pressure or tightness that feels like an elephant sitting on your chest. Pain radiating down your left arm or into your jaw. Sudden shortness of breath. Breaking out in a cold sweat. Or feeling nauseated or dizzy. If you feel any of these, drop the shovel immediately. Get inside where it's warm and call 911. Don't wait to see if it passes. Don't tough it out. Every minute matters. And here's something else I want you to remember. F.A.S.T. If you're experiencing stroke symptoms, face drooping, arm weakness, speech difficulty, then it's time to call 911 immediately. Cold weather increases stroke risk too. Now, before you go out there, I want you to do one more thing. Cover your nose and mouth with a scarf or mask. This isn't just about staying warm. When you breathe in that freezing air, it hits nerve endings in your airways that trigger even more. By warming the air before it enters your lungs, you're protecting your heart from that extra stress. If this is helping you, hit that like button so more people can find this information. Listen, I get it. Asking for help doesn't feel good when you've spent your whole life being the one people count on. But here's how I want you to think about this. Hiring a local teenager to clear your driveway for $20. Or asking your neighbor for help. Or buying a snowblower you can use on warmer days. That's not giving up your independence. That's protecting it. Your heart is a muscle that's been beating for 65, 70, 75 years. It deserves your respect and your protection. Every smart choice you make today means more birthdays, more time with your grandchildren, more years in the home you've worked so hard to keep. In the next 24 hours, I want you to check your weather forecast. If there's snow coming and it'll be below 32 degrees, make a plan right now. Who can you call? What service can you hire? Get that set up before the snow falls. I'm a doctor, but I'm not your personal doctor. Please talk to your physician before making any changes based on what you've learned here. This information is for education only and doesn't replace medical advice. If you're experiencing chest pain, shortness of breath, or any cardiac symptoms right now, stop watching and call 911 immediately. Don't wait. Take care of yourself. Your family needs you healthy and here. I'll see you in the next video.